Welcome everyone. We have one of the nicest 1966 GTOs in existence, and you don't have to take my word for it. This has been judged. It is a 7-time senior gold winner at the Pontiac Oakland Club shows. It's a GTO AA Concours Award winner, multiple Best of Shows, and People Choice Awards. There's about 125 miles since a complete nut and bolt, meticulous, highly detailed restoration. Since it's been done, it's been stored inside an enclosed trailer, which was stored inside a climate-controlled building. Every number and component is number matched front to back, factory colors, born as you see it. It has Pontiac Historical documentation. I'm going to really enjoy showing you this car. You can also go to volocars.com where you can find 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have the monthly payment and the price tag, including this one. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Barrier blue, gorgeous color. You don't see very often. And yeah, it's just immaculate. The paint, I will admit, is better than it was from the factory. So that's not correct, but boy, does it look good. It looks like I could reach right in, and it's just deep and polished, perfectly smooth and glossy. All the metallic is lined up, laid out evenly. No vinyl top, just all beautiful barrier blue. All the gaps and lines are square and flush. Look at the door jambs, highly detailed and painted. The roof and the sail panels and the big Coke bottle quarter panels, all excellent. This is all excellent. Beautiful. Everything back here, all clean, spotless metal. Quarter panels all the way down to the bottom, all around the moldings. All spot on, all fantastic, wonderful, pristine. Look at that. So, paint is immaculate. Maybe I missed a tiny flaw somewhere, a good possibility, but I did not see one. There's no shrinkage, there's no cracking. It is like a mirror. It's like you can run and dive right into that. Every single piece of trim is restored. The stainless moldings are straightened and polished like chrome. The vent window frames and wing windows, all that is re-chromed. I'm sure the mirror is new. These are polished. All of that is excellent. The grill's completely restored. It has some of its awards proudly displayed here. And those are T3 headlights, reproduction headlights. Again, all the chrome, bezels, lenses, everything is fantastic. You probably can barely see it because it's so glossy, but there's a white pinstripe that's painted on just like the factory would have done. It's not tape. This is the correct antenna. All of the glass is replaced, and it all has the correct markings. I don't know how to read the dates, but it's probably dated to the car. So all new glass correctly coated to the car. Rocker moldings are redone. Now coming around and back here, I love the little slits for taillights back then. Very cool looking. All the emblems are sparkling. You got reverse lights. All the trim is just polished, new emblems. Now I just learned it has red brake drums. That was 1966 only with Rally 1 wheels. That's correct. The red brake drums. The Rally 1s are all restored. This car came with Rally 1s. And it has reproduction redline tires. It still has the nubs on the tread. So the red with the red and the red on the emblems, I think really makes this blue pop. So yes, the outside's restored better than new. Let's dive inside. You're going to love what you see. All right, you're going to look at a brand new trunk compartment. Literally. Look underneath here. Look how this is painted slick as can be. It's got the new sticker. The car has the lamp group, and the bulb was working. I wiggled it and it came on. But it does have the trunk light that does work. Jam is painted slick. The weather strip is replaced. All the wiring is new actually throughout the whole car. The whole inside is spatter painted real nice. Has the two-piece mat. And they even have a fifth matching reproduction redline tire with a restored Rally 1 wheel and a completely restored jack assembly. So this is clean, complete. Tail light housings, the latch mechanism, it's all been restored. It's like brand new in here. With a little wiggle, the trunk light is working. And make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be notified as videos are posted. This is truly one of the nicest 66 GTOs on the planet. Look at the jambs, how they're detailed. They're painted slick. The latches are restored. All the weather strips, sill plates, all replaced. It's a factory blue interior, completely restored. Has new door panels, armrest, handles. All of the interior chrome and stainless or trim has all been redone. New dash pad, completely restored dash area. 124 miles since it's been redone. This is a factory rally gauge car, so it has a tachometer and gauges. Now it has a reverb. It's back there. It's not hooked up because what he did, this original radio, it's all restored. It's not even pitted. It's actually converted to an FM stereo, so it has modern internals. So the reverb is back there, but not hooked up with this stereo. When I said all the chrome is redone, it just sparkles everywhere. That's the difference between one of the nicest in the country and a really nice one. Owner's manual, working interior light, again, all redone, new knobs, kick panels, nice fresh blue carpet, reproduction mats, restored blue seat belts. And then the best part, the Hurst 4-speed, and it has the optional walnut shifter knob. Seats have been all rebuilt, recushioned, reupholstered. Trim all around the backs of the seats have been redone. And everything back here is just as good. The reproduction mats and seat belts and reupholstered, and the side panels all redone. The metal trim's repainted. Has the correct mesh speaker shelf back there. And then the sail panels aren't wrinkled like almost all of them are. This is all replaced, all nice. This is part of the lamp group. These are pretty darn rare. Has the, I don't know if they call it a reading lamp or map light. That's all part of the lamp group. There's also an extra light under the dash. Visors are redone. And again, look at the chrome. There's no pitting. It's sparkling, all redone. Day and night mirror. And it has a reproduction deluxe steering wheel, which looks really sharp in here. I looked up under the dash. It all looks like new. All the wiring, just, you can look really hard, really deep into this car, and it is fresh and new and right. And the owner says every part on this car is going to be correct, number match, type components. That is the original motor. It's all dated and coded properly. It's a 389 making 335 horsepower. The right manifolds, the right 4-barrel. I think there'd be a quadrajet underneath there. Even the stamp OK is reduplicated. Re-chromed valve covers and the correct air cleaner. Even the spark plug wires are date coded. I1Q66. This is part of the lamp group. We got a working under hood lamp, the right clamps, the right ribbed heater hoses, and you can see everything is finished just beautifully. It's got the flaps, got the ground strap, washer bottles hooked up, all painted meticulously. Correct radiator and cap and hoses and clamps and shroud and the clutch fan. I would bet that this is even the right belt. There's some markings on the belt. I bet that is correct. The alternator is correct. The correct wrap around the wires. The battery is a Delco battery topper with the spring clamp cables, the right hold down bracket. Even the tags are put back on. All the wiring, all the electrical, all redone. Has the underhood insulation pad. Yeah, this is pretty much immaculate. Now Michael's going to show you how nice it runs. He was with me when we bought this car. We're both so excited. We'll see you in a few minutes.
our team of buyers has been doing a fantastic job just bringing us the heat, man. This is one of the nicest GTOs that I've ever seen, and should really be one of the nicest GTOs in existence, really. 7-time POCI senior gold winner here. GTO AA concours winner as well. Guys, if you're looking for original and factory correct, this may be a very good option for you. 389 under the hood, numbers matching, 4-speed manual trans. Everything is done to factory specifications, and the builder of it was absolutely meticulous and reluctant to go ahead and sell this car. And I understand why. They don't get any better, without a doubt. Let's see what she's got. Just like that, up to 60 miles an hour without an issue. Your chest to stretch your legs a little bit. We're only about halfway in the throttle. Oh, we lost our little tag there. But yeah, great car. Feels exactly like it's supposed to. Performs without an issue. Let's see how it goes down the road here. Set up nice and straight. Just what a dream. I'm really digging this GTO. Somebody's gonna get a beyond beautifully restored car and just be in love. Come down, test drive it for yourself, and check out all the details on our website, volocars.com.
Underneath this car is immaculate. I mean, it looks like it was done yesterday. The car was restored, I think, around 2013, and I bought it from the gentleman that restored it. He has a collision shop, so he doesn't restore cars for a living, but he has a shop fixing newer cars, is what I gathered, and this was his baby. His wife was very surprised he was even letting it go. But he's kept it like brand new. The most recent award that I seen was 2023. And so the car is held up really well. And again, underneath looks like it was done yesterday. Body off the frame, every single component is fresh. All of the steering, suspension completely rebuilt. This may have the ride and handling package because I noticed boxed rear control arms. Brake system all redone, all the lines, the hoses, the e-brake assembly. Fuel system was all replaced. Has all the right markings underneath there. It has the correct stencil on the fuel tank. It even has the spiral shocks that it would have had. The correct exhaust system, and you're going to see something. You're going to see one muffler bigger than the other. That's correct. I've only seen that on Pontiacs. I don't know why it makes sense on a Pontiac and not a Chevelle, but it has two different size mufflers. That's correct. And then every metal finish is spotless. You could probably go under there with a white glove and not even get it dirty. You look up at the bottom of the motor, it's immaculate. The correct starter. He says it's the original Muncie 4-speed transmission, all restored. The linkage is all redone. The drive shaft is rebuilt. In back has its original rear end with 355 safety track gears, which is Pontiac's way of saying posi. So absolutely immaculate throughout. This is, take all the really nice cars, this takes it to the next level. You want to park a car in your living room, here you go. If you want to get out and enjoy driving it, I would do that too. Go to volocars.com. Salesmen can help answer your questions, including how you're going to get this delivered home. If you need finance, they'll help with that too. Thanks for watching.